it's Cutie Pie. So today I am here with my grandma. That's my grandma.
Hello.
So today we are actually you can probably tell, we're making
slime.
So,
you want to make slime too? Okay.
So it's going to be a little different because I never really made fluffy slime. But since I saw so many videos, now I know how to make it. So, we're also going to be making another slime maybe.
That little girl over there wants to make slime.
So,
you see her? She's right there.
So, I'm going to try to get the camera right. So, what you'll be needing are spoons, a bowl, glue, borax, shaving cream, and you're going to need water. And you're going to put the borax in, and you already got to mix it till it's all dissolved, which I already did that. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is
try and open the glue.
Yeah, Elmer's glue you should use, and it doesn't have to be this big. You might need help because it can get a little messy.
Wait, Pops, you gotta take this.
Oh, yeah, get it. That's enough. And then once you're done putting it in, just tack your glue on so it doesn't like dry out. You'll also be needing newspaper. And you're also going to be needing food dye. So next you're going to want to shake your shaving cream up and then put it in.
And then listen to your dad yelling at you when he gets home because you can't shave.
You need to shake it up a lot so it comes out.
And you also can't empty it upside down. You have to bring the bowl to you, Seb. Deb, you have to bring the bowl to you up like this so you can hold the shaving cream straight.
Oh, whipped cream.
That should be enough.
Woohoo! I want a sundae.
Then
I want a sundae.
Then you're just gonna want to mix it, and then you'll know if you need more or you're just gonna have to add a little more glue. You'll know it, and you're gonna need old clothes.
I gotta get frosted.
And you're gonna need old clothes on that you don't mind ruining or getting food dye on. Mom, can you get the food dye? So my mom still has to get the food dye. So we'll be back when we get the food dye. So now that we got the food coming, you're just going to add it in. And this doesn't matter how many drops. Depends how dark, how light, or like how medium you want it. But make sure when you do this part, don't use your hands unless you want to get really messy and your hands will get really stained.
That's what you gotta say. Depending on how light you want it.
And I only put one drop because I want a really light color. So, wait, hold on. This is what it looks like. It's a light blue. Then once you got it all mixed, you're just going to want to add a little bit of your activator.
Which is what?
Water and box. Now you can see it's kind of starting to form. See?
Be like, where's the activator?
Activator is what makes it form into slime. So before you add it more, it might look sticky, but you're just going to want to keep mixing it. And if you add too much activator, it can get all like brain guts. So maybe we'll be back when it's like all slime. Now that I mixed it more, I'm going in with my hands. Look at that. Comment down below what it looks like. Since it's kind of fluffy, I think it looks like cotton candy. And don't add too much activator, because if you add too much, because borax can sometimes make it less stretchy. And then if you keep kneading it with it, it'll get less sticky. And don't put it on paper because then it can stick and then you'll have less slime.
Alright, I want to make my own. Could I?
Hold on, not yet, hold on. So look it. This is it. It's not that stretchy. It's a little bit hard, but you can also add lotion into it. So I'm gonna get the lotion. Okay guys, so now you're just gonna wanna add in lotion.
Yeah, Grandma could make hers whenever she wants.
Yeah, I wanna show YouTube.
Yeah.
So now, you can add as much as you want, depends how soft you want it.
I'm making mine all by myself.
I know. But you can also
Yes, I do.
you can also use clear slime.
Cool.
Yes, this isn't that stretchy, but it still has a really nice texture. And you can even hear it. Listen.
Darn, Tab, you sure you're gonna get hurt?
Yes.
No, seriously.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the slime. Now we're going to make a second one, so we'll be back when it's all done for the second one. We just got done making both of our slimes. Look it. Can you guess which one's mine and which one's my grandma's? You're correct. The ones in our hands. Because my grandma's is just like a shade darker. Because I like light blue. And now, on to the next slime. Because next we're going to be making clear. Right, Gram?
Yep.
So right now, my grandma's just going to be playing with the slime.
I wonder if that girl still lives in that
I
house.
clear. Look,
I don't know.
I don't think so.
just clean it. Cleaning
That's
it.
what I wonder.
Cleaning
I
it.
never see anybody there anymore.
No.
Okay, so I just got done cleaning it. This is going to be a different recipe. So, what you'll be needing is clear glue. Right,
Not
Graham?
losing it. Oh.
So, first thing first, you're going to want to add clear glue.
Okay.
Wow, look at my grandma's hands. This, I'm only using a little. See? So now once you're done with that, just add in a little water. And then it'll seem watery, but that's okay because if you keep adding clear glue, it will still be watery and then it'll just be a waste. So you're just going to want to mixy, 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 and then add in your food coloring. Or not. Then you're just going to add in your water and borax. This recipe is way easier. And I'm not patient, so you can do this, but I'm not. If you let it sit out for 2 days, it will become this crystal clear. So my grandma's just playing with it. So this isn't the best yet. Can't even see it. Just keep mixing. I think this one's a
You
fail.
have the best grandmother in the world that could be doing anything other than making slime.
I know.
On a Saturday, right? While Mommy's cooking.
Yes, it is Saturday, March 10th. Because we're going to Disney! Right,
Yeah,
Graham?
he's exhausted. He's about to leave the house tonight.
So,
Can't afford it.
Yeah.
we
Trying
did
to
it.
do the clocks tonight.
We made it. Look at that.
Oh, cool, Seth.
Okay. That was my dog. So, ew, look at that. Ew, it's like sticking. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you can make some of these slimes. Make sure to do a video, like something that to make. I have no idea what I'm saying. Make sure to do a video like this to make this kind of slime. This slime came out so good, and when we bought it, we did not put anything else in it for it to form.
So have fun making your own slime.
Yep. And comment down below on Musical.ly.
Pass it on to your friends.
Yep. And comment down below on Musical.ly who made better slime. Was it my light blue fluffy slime?
Make sure to like us.
Or was it my grandma's ocean slime?
No negative comments, please.
Yeah, please, none. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below and like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe down below. I want to get 1 million subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
Till next time.
Bye.